put his head on. And his head is right here.
Build it.
A robot? Wait, I forgot about his feet. Robots always need feet.
Welcome back to our math blog. Today we are going to be working on place value, just getting my child to understand. Again, he's in kindergarten, getting him to understand basic place value. And so this video is not sponsored. Let me put that out there. I'm not getting paid to sponsor these products, but these are products that I have already had and I've been using for several years because I'm always working with children. But what we're going to be using in this video are base 10 blocks. So these are base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks can be used to teach a number of concepts. So I strongly recommend you get these if you want to help your child build a solid math foundation. So we're just going to talk about what these blocks represent. So we have several different, so these are called units. These are called units, and this represents the value of 1. So these represent your ones. These are called longs, and those represent the value of 10. These are called flats. They represent a value of 100. And then these, my child is over here building. I have to take it apart today. Sorry. This is called a cube, and it represents 1,000. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, and 1,000 units. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start just by getting him to build certain numbers for me. So let's put this up. He likes, my son also likes building with these. So he likes to play with them as well, which I let him do. But what number is that, Taj? What number is that?
I'm making it.
Oh, you making it? Okay. Are you sure that's right?
45.
So that is 45. How many longs should you have?
3.
Look at that number again. How many longs should you have? How many tens are there?
4.
How many longs
But
do you
right here is 40.
How many longs do you have?
3.
How many should you have?
4.
So you
So
need
50.
No, it's 45, like you said. So remember, each of these represent 10. So count by tens. Can you count by tens out loud?
10, 20, 30, 40.
And then these represent how many?
1.
So can you count those out loud?
1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Can you count them out right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So can you count all the numbers together? Starting with 10.
I know. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
Are these 10?
No, I just forgot for a minute. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
Good job. All right, let me give you another number. What number is that?
I pull out 6.
I count them. How many do you have? Remember, those represent how much?
10.
So count by tens.
But what about you count 1 to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. What else you need? And can you count it all together for me?
I put it together.
All right, now count it.
1,
Starting with the tens.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66.
Good job. All right.
I know it's 66.
Good job. So this is one activity you could get your children to do with these base 10 blocks. Now these cards that I'm using, they didn't come with the base 10 blocks, but you could just write numbers on index cards and have them bid them out. You can go, you could do hundreds, you could do thousands, and so forth. But it only comes with 1,000 block, so you wouldn't be able to do anything bigger than 1,000. So that's one thing you could do. Now, I'm going to put 2 links in the comments below. One set actually comes with the activity book and the other set doesn't. So one set comes with the activity book, but the blocks cannot be connected. So like I told you, my son liked to build with these, and these are called interlocks blocks. So you can actually connect these blocks. So the set that where you can connect them, it doesn't come with the activity book. But the set where you can't connect them, it comes with the activity book. I'll also describe that in the description below. But if you get the activity book, it has a lot of different games in here that you could do. And so one game that I like to play, and this one you can see is kindergarten through second. One game I like to play with my son is Race for a Flat. And basically what you do is you take 2 dice. I have my dice in here.
Yes, look.
But I need 2. So you take 2 dice and you roll them. You take turns rolling the dice. And so I roll 7. And so what I'll do is I'll collect 7 units. So that's 1, 2, 3,
Yeah, that
4,
look
5,
like my robot.
6, 7. All right, we'll put the robot to the side now. Now your turn to roll. How many is that?
6.
So get you 6. Alright, so that's 6. So then I will roll. And this time I roll 8. And I need to get 8 little ones. But the trick is, we keep dropping them. 1, 2, 3, 4, thank you, 5, 6, 7, 8. But the trick is I want to take these and I want to switch them out for the next unit up. So I could take 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and switch it out for a long because it equals 10.
So
and then,
can I take this?
No, you can't take those. It's your turn to roll, and whatever you roll, you can take. So how many is that?
7.
So then you would take 7. You can use these right here. Those are up for grabs. So if that's what you need, yeah.
3, 4, 6, 7.
So now can you take 10 of those? Do you have 10 to where you can switch it out for a long?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes.
So you could take those 10, move them over here,
These are 10.
and get you a long to replace those.
Yeah.
And so basically you just keep doing this process until someone gets 10 longs to replace for a flat. So it's called Race for a Flat. It's to see who could get the flat first. Basically to see who could get a total of up to 100.
Mommy, next time don't bring my robot.
Okay, baby. This is a couple of activities you can do with the base 10 blocks. I'll make some more videos for you because you can also do adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. You can teach all those concepts with these blocks as well. So I'll make some more videos for you in the future for those. So thanks for tuning in. Remember, if you like these videos, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want me to cover a particular content. Make sure you include that in the comments as well. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you're enjoying homeschooling with your children. Thanks.